Hey guys, happy Sunday. So I apologize for the first portion of this video. It was supposed to be just a short, but then I decided to make another extension to the video. So I'm sorry that the first part of the video is going to be a vertical, but the second part, 2/3 of it, will be in a proper format. I apologize. I'm not a rookie. I may play one on TV, but so here's what the video is about. It's about, so I got this buddy, he lives over in Saudi Arabia or something. I think we became friends when he tried to drain my whole bank account one time by trying to get my bank account number. But he shows me the ins and outs of how to design duct and how to do a heat to loss gain analysis. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I had fun doing it. It's all for comedy. Just laugh, enjoy life. And let me know what you think. Alright guys, let's go over how they do the duct design around my area. They don't do any fucking calculations, they just fucking guess on this one, man. So you have your 2-ton, you get a 12-inch round or 8 by 16 rectangular. 3-ton, you get a 14-inch round or 8 by 20 rectangular. 4-ton get 16, sometime 18, or it's 8 by 20 for rectangular. 5-ton get 18, or sometime 20, depends what we have in shop, and then 8 by 30 rectangular. Yeah, that's how we do ductwork around here in my area. Oh, and then all the branch runs must be a 6-inch, no dampers. Air goes where it needs to go, and you'll do just fine with that one, man. Alright guys, so in the earlier taping I show you how we come up with the ductwork sizing. Now to show you how we determine how much equipment we need for the house. So, this is what I usually think. So if I have a house that has one door and maybe have one window, that probably get somewhere in the smaller size, or 1.5 or 2-ton. I figure I just got to see how big the door is first. So yeah, the 1.5 or 2-ton probably for that. For my heat, warm air gainage and lossage, we usually go like 1.5 or 2-ton for that. Then you got a bigger home that have, the door maybe the same size, maybe had 2 windows, maybe had 2 floors. I think we could probably do 3-ton for that one. I think I'm pretty close if I do that. So, there's a lot of things to take into consideration to size these, but I think 3-4 ton for this is good. And sometimes you have a big mansion, like we have over in the Emirates. You get a house that had a lot of windows and a couple doors. I think that would take probably 5-ton of warm air leakage of the house. So we get that one and we fucking go all that one, man. So yeah, so that's how you size your equipment. You just look at the house, see how many windows it has, and they'll see if maybe it has a big roof on it, and then size accordingly. And of course, always charge your customer accordingly, based on what vehicles in garage. That's usually how you want to do that. And then there's always an X factor involved with sizing this equipment. Like I might have a wife that is postmenopausal, and she put out a lot of heat, so you need more air conditioning. She give me the bird a lot, but yeah, she warm up the house a lot, so you might want to upsize 1/2 ton for that one.